Hello friends, I am Shomita. Welcome to my channel Glowing Angel. At first I want to wish you all happy Holi. In today's video I am sharing this Bengali Basanta Utsav or Dol Purnima special makeup look with you guys. It's a festival of Holi celebrated in different style. It's a festival to welcome the spring season by singing, dancing of Tagore song with cultural program and coloring each other with colorful powders called abir. This joyous festival is now an integral part of Bengali culture. So let's get started. At first I am shaping and filling my brows with Hilary Rhoda brow definer. Now to shape my brows I am using this kissbeauty concealer and then blend it with a brush. I am using the same kissbeauty concealer into my eyelids and spread it with my finger and then blend it with a brush and the damp beauty blender. To set my concealer, I am using this Wet n Wild powder into my eyelids. Now I am using this Glam 21 green eye pencil into my eyelids. I am using this light green shade from the Hilary Rhoda palette and just lightly put it into my eyelid. I am using this tapered blending brush and put the second color from the same Hilary Rhoda palette into my crease line. To blend the harsh edges, I am using this fluffy blending brush. I am taking the third color from the same Hilary Rhoda palette, the pink shade, and place it into my outer corner and blend it towards the crease line. To make the look more intense, I am again taking the first and second color. I am using this Sivvana highlighter into my brow bone. Now it's time for some falsies. I am again taking the first light green color and the second blue one from the same palette and blend it into my lower lash line. am using the mascara from Maybelline into my lower lashes. For kajal, I am using the same Glam 21 green eye pencil. My eye makeup is done. Now it's time for face makeup, and I already moisturize and prime my face. So I am using this kissbeauty orange corrector into my dark spots and blend it with the beauty blender. Now I am using the Swiss Beauty concealer again and blend it with the damp beauty blender. For foundation, I am using the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation shade Desert Beige and blend it properly with the damp beauty blender. To contour my face, I am using this liquid contour which I shared into my last shopping haul video. If you didn't check it out, you can check it now. I am sharing the link into the description. Now I am blending it with the same damp beauty blender. For baking, I am using the same Wet n Wild powder. For powder contouring, I am using the same Wet n Wild duo. As this is a very vibrant look, so I am using this purplish shade into my lips. For blush, I am using this SFR blush which I bought from Hatibagan. Shade is 02 Sunshine. Now it's time to add some glow, and it's my favorite part of makeup, and I am using Sivvana Shimmer Brick for highlighting. To fix everything, I'm using this kissbeauty makeup fixer. So my angels, this is done now. Tell me how am I looking and how's the eye makeup. If you like it, then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and hit the bell button so you will get notified. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.